Hi everyone, I'm Cody Tesla with MarineMax Crosslake. Today we're on the Aria 22F. This is a very functional fishing and entertaining pontoon. Let me show you a couple of my favorite features. Number one, your two captain's chairs up in the front. If you've got a dog that likes to come with you, Barletta is always known for having a dog dish. Off to the side here, we've got tackle storage, very conveniently located. We've got a live well off to the side. You can also put your cheese and crackers up here if you're just entertaining. Make it even bigger with a flip out table. As you move back, this is one of my favorite features of this boat. A lot of people like to have the dual captain's chairs. Well, on this, you get a flip up seat right here. And let me just show you, this is actually almost more comfortable than a double captain's chair, in my opinion. It also flips down. And we can flip this up, lounge backwards, or flip this one up and lounge forward. At the helm, we've got a Lowrance Eagle 5. Gonna show you your map, gonna show you the fish down below. We've got a power bimini on this boat. Another feature I love, you've got rod holders in the back here. If you're trolling, you can stick two rods right in here. Watch those tips bend over. We've got another spot for tackle underneath here. And then also a second top of that. If you're back here, these do spin around, but I just absolutely love, for entertaining purposes, you've got an open floor plan with a ton of great comfortable seats.